What's up, guys? This is Gino J, the Construction King, and welcome to our channel. On this channel, we document new construction and development from the ground up. So if real estate is your game, this is the channel for you. Hit that like button and subscribe, and let's go, man. We're about to walk a modern home, show you what we're doing in Atlanta.
It's beautiful. It is just all the glass, because I like glass.
Yeah, glass is really what makes the house, especially at this price point. Just watch we're gonna walk through this garage because I could tell that's kind of muddy. And I want you to watch your step. And so when you enter, you're gonna have your laundry room here.
Yeah, makes sense.
This would just be a half bathroom. And then this room has its own bathroom. It'll just be a shower.
That part is.
Yep, a shower, the toilet, and then you got your sink over here.
Oh.
So this is one bedroom. This is a yes. So that's going to be the closet for this bedroom. So bathroom and then closet. Here is going to be the pantry, and then all this is going to be a kitchen with a big 10-foot island. And then you're gonna have your dining room here. And so this house, we wanted to make it like a resort. Yeah, it is. This was supposed to be an outdoor space.
Oh.
But what I'm gonna do is just enclose it. So we'll build this up so it's all one level. But we're definitely gonna do a pool out here, a hot tub, and then an outdoor kitchen.
Oh my Lord.
And then this lot, you see that tree
Yeah,
line? It goes back to that tree line. So it's almost 3 acres. Of course, there's a lot of good features. I like the big open space. So this is gonna be an outdoor just living area. So we'll have an outdoor fireplace here and it's covered.
Oh.
The other garage is in the front.
What is this?
So this is the family room. So you have your fireplace here.
Uh-huh.
So your couch would probably sit somewhere in here, and then you'll have your TV on your fireplace because this is the fireplace box.
And this is just the foyer?
Yep, this is the foyer. This would be like we can use it as an eat-in kitchen or something.
Or a little study
Yep,
or something.
yeah, a little study, little office. This is one of my favorite features of the house, but we're gonna start in the garage. Yeah, we're gonna start in the garage. So this great garage, you got natural light coming here. So this will probably be for the woman. She come in here and she has her own private garage.
All that for a garage?
Yep. Sometimes it's just the look and the lighting, but it gives it we have to have the lighting on we wanted the windows on this garage so that we have the light, but it also helps with the aesthetics of the house. So you come in, you got your own private storage or whatever, and then it's gonna be a hallway. This is gonna be walled off, so this won't be open. So you got your own private hall. You got 2 big windows so you can see out into your yard. And then you walk down this hallway. Yeah, they're big windows. They're big windows.
Now, are they gonna be recessed back?
Yes, they are. So that's the main area. So now you're in the master. So this is the master bedroom. So you're in it. So there's gonna be a door here.
Oh, walk-in closet.
Yep. So this is the walk-in bathroom. So this is all bathroom down here. You're gonna have your toilet room here. And then you're gonna have a huge tub here. And then we have your big standalone soaking tub right here over this window.
Oh my God. Well, you've come a long way there.
All shower, and then your vanity will be on this wall here. So, and this is not even the craziest thing about this house. So Your bed is gonna sit there. So imagine you walking in, you got this
right here.
big open
Tell me
space.
what the doors look like coming in.
So the only door is gonna be here. So it'll be a door here. So when you walk into the master, now you're in the room. We'll have some custom cabinets on this wall, you know, just to elevate it. But when you walk in, this is your master. So the bed will actually sit here.
The picture there.
Then that's your fireplace and TV wall in front of you. And then the fireplace wall goes all the way up 24 feet. And then you're gonna have these beautiful doors off your master where you can see your pool, your hot tub, your fireplace. So
Then
we
the pool's
really,
gotta be on this side.
yeah, we really want to make it feel like a resort, yeah. So it's gonna be directly behind the, yeah.
Being all built.
Yep.
I mean, I'm feeling the vibe.
There's one more feature that I want to show you.
Now those trees, do you take them down or do they just stay and grow?
They just stay and grow, and I want to leave as many as possible. I had to clear out this just to see the yard some and have enough space for the pool. I'll go back a little more, but not a lot. I'll let the homeowner decide what they want to clear, because I see rabbits out here, I see deer out here. So whatever we can preserve, I think it's worth it. But then also it just creates the privacy in between.
Okay, I see where
The
your other
home.
lot
Yep.
starts.
Yep,
And a beautiful tree is gonna be right there.
yep.
Wow.
So I want you to stand here and look up,
I did.
because
Here.
all that is master. The entire upstairs is master closet. So you walk up those stairs and that's your entire master closet up there, overlooking your master bedroom. And we put this window in here so you can even see into your backyard from your master closet. A little different, but these are the things that,
So, look at that beam.
yes, that's a
Holy
big
moly.
beam.
Oh my God. I'm going upstairs.
Okay.
I'm not gonna miss a thing now that I'm here. Might not see you again. Okay.
So take your time. I'm gonna stand right here for,
Feel that sun.
yeah, it comes on you.
Oh my God. Oh, little twist.
Yep, little twist to go
I
up.
like.
Let's give it some character.
What in the world is that?
That's all master closet.
How come I missed that ceiling? You didn't point that out to me.
Oh, that ceiling there. It was kind of hard to see from the garage, looking up. And so this will actually, we'll put a door here. So this will kind of be some storage off your master. So any boxes or stuff you just want to push out. And all this is master bedroom. So this and this area is all master closet. So it'll be all built-ins, all your closet.
What's this?
That is a chase. So we're gonna have the HVAC system up here,
Oh.
and then we need the space to send the ductworks down, because all of our units are here. So we gotta create that to have that space.
Oh my God. It's massive.
It is. It's
It's
massive.
every bit as big as it looks.
Yes. And look how big those windows are looking into your backyard.
I'm just trying to take too much in.
Yeah.
Now, wait a minute. This is all gonna be open?
Yep, that's all gonna be open. And it's temporary, don't lean on that too much, because
Oh,
we want you to fall.
is that gonna be an outdoor?
It is. It is.
Look how big the bedrooms are.
Yep, and every bedroom up here, well, not this one, but
there's
all.
another one.
Yeah, so it's
one.
1, 2, 3, 4 rooms over here, and each room has its own bathroom. Yeah, got to in a house like this. Who wants to walk out of their bathroom in a mansion and go to another room to use the bathroom? So they all have their own bathroom. And I like this room. This is a great room because it has all the windows, and it could be an office or it could be a teenager room, whatever, but it has its own bathroom and its own walk-in closet.
It would be sweet. Are you gonna stage it at all?
Yes,
Set this up as an office.
as the office. That's what we're thinking. Because you can see everybody coming in. They got plenty of light.
And you got all this.
You got all this.
All
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Don't have to get up and go anywhere to use the restroom.
Yep.
And that's gonna be a closet, so they'll know they can use it for a bedroom
Yep.
if they want.
Yep.
I like this.
It'd either be this room or that back room as the office. The only reason this back room could be good because I like to walk around when I talk. So if you like to walk and talk and you want fresh air, you can walk out the back, but that's another bedroom here.
Yeah, you're right. If you're into a conversation and you want fresh air.
Yep. So if you're into a conversation, if you want fresh air,
Yeah, can you imagine being the person that comes to visit?
I know. They wouldn't want to leave. They would not want to leave.
Oh my heavens. Oh, this is too beautiful.
Yeah, I don't think you saw it since they started the stucco, but that's gonna look really nice.
Those
Once they
doors,
finish.
I was sure
Yeah.
what the windows, whatever it was, I was like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Let me get out of here. How did all those little men do it? They weren't that big,
They
you
weren't
know.
that big. They're not even taller than you, some of them.
Okay, that's bathroom.
Yes. So this is the bathroom here.
Okay.
That's the bathroom closet. We walk around. We can walk. You can walk through. You can walk through.
I want to. Oh, look at how wide.
Yep.
Now this is just a hall. right?
Yep. That's just the hall. So the entire master over there, all your guests over here. And they have their own wing. You know, they got their own covered outdoor area.
Now this will be really, really nice that some wildlife
Yes.
starts to show up.
Yep. I was out here last week, and then if I come out here in the evening or in the morning, I always see deer out here. And on my cameras, every day it's deer
I'm
in the
sure
front yard.
in the beginning you push them farther back.
Yeah.
But now they know they still have a place
Yeah.
to go.
Yeah. So I'm trying to preserve all that.
Yeah. You can see over there
Yeah.
where the grass is trampled down.
Yep.
Oh, this is gonna be so beautiful.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Oh, well, who
You know, this is
You know, It's been kind of crazy if I didn't. This is gorgeous. It's so big.
yes.
So is it gonna be cement?
It is. We're gonna have some pavers here, kind of like a courtyard, and then it'll turn into cement as we get up. But we still got a lot of more grading to do because you see it's low here, so we're gonna have to take out a lot of dirt,
Oh, okay.
and then we'll create swales. So
Oh.
at this stage, the most important thing is water management. So when we grade it, we got to make sure that when the water drains, when it gets about, let's say right here, it needs to, like the land is going to come, it'll slope up and then come back down. But right here, we're going to start diverting the water around, and we'll have some drains and stuff in, and you know. Yeah, because water management is like the most critical thing when you're building.
When you're coming down, yeah.
Yep. Just the last thing you want is a beautiful home and you have, you know, water issues. So
Get over the size of it. I can't get over the size. I never thought when I first came that all of this is what it was going to be.
Yep. This is it.
Now, that little rectangle part up there, is that the chimney?
That is not the chimney. That's just a accent piece to kind of give the house some detail and character. Yeah, because you see we went up and we went across, and then we take it up.
Oh, okay.
You know, that'll probably
It does
be
fit well
some wood.
into
Yeah.
the contemporary designish.
Yep.
Man, you've done good.
Thank you.
Really, that is. Now, I'm from the old school, and I'm going to say something, because I drive around and I see things and I'm like, how could that happen?
Yes.
A chimney is supposed to be higher than the highest point in your house.
Yes.
Yes.
That
And people
indeed.
don't do that here. All these subdivisions they're building, go look at them.
I seen one subdivision the other day. I don't know what they were building.
Right.
Yeah.
They're going up fast everywhere. Yeah, you're going to stand out from the crowd.
Yeah, we try to focus on quality. I don't need to build a ton of houses. We just need to build
A few good ones.
a few good ones.
Well, you did it. I'm going to go check that one out.
Okay. Well, I'm head out. You got my number now.
Yes,
Save my
I do.
information.
Thank you, Jane.
Need me, call me. Just if you can, text me your information so I can save you in my phone as well.
I didn't bring my
And
phone
then
with me.
that's fine. Just text me when you get a chance, and then feel free to
Okay,
get
just
that.
take a text?
Yeah, and just
Okay.
feel free to get that gate at any time.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I'm glad it's going to a good home, because
Well, the guy that's supposed to help me, he thinks I'm nuts. That it's too big for where I want it. And I said, no, it's perfect for where I want it. So, but then, we don't even know the guy's name. No, I
he's
didn't
right.
get his name.
He's right.
He had it on his face.
But now you got my name, you got my number,
Yes, I do, Gene.
and it was good timing. Because catching me here is not always easy. This is what we do, man. You know, custom home builder right here in Atlanta. This is one of our projects that we're currently building. You know, we're excited about it. We got like 4 homes down here. So make sure y'all like the channel, subscribe, follow, because we're gonna be documenting the rest of this build. So if you enjoy real estate content, man, this is the channel for y'all. Tap in, this is what we do. Gino J, Construction King. We'll see y'all on the next video.